Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you an easy way on how you can fix Limbus Company crashing. Now this is going to be a very quick video. You just need to open your Steam and then make sure you click on library in the top left. And after that you want to search here for Limbus Company. Okay, very easy to fix this. Now after you open it, you just need to click on the gear icon here where it says manage in the top, like in the right. Now after that you want to click on properties. Okay, so after you click on properties, you want to click here on, you want to enable this if it's not enabled, which is enable the Steam overlay while in game. Okay, so just enable it. Now after that you want to click on installed files, and then you want to verify integrity of the game files, like just verify the files if they are installed correctly. Just click on verify and then wait for it. It says here verifying integrity of files. It's going to take a few seconds. As you can see, it's now 90%. It says here all the files successfully validated. Now after that you want to click on browse, and here you want to find the game. Right click on it and then click on show more options. Now after that you want to click on properties and then click on compatibility, and then make sure you check this where it says run this program in compatibility mode. Select here Windows 8, and then make sure you select here disable full screen optimizations, and also check run this program as administrator. And then click on apply and then check now. Okay, check if the problem is solved. If this doesn't work, there are a lot of people who face different problem. It says here, did you install any mods on your end? I have show combat dialogue mode just came out recently, then the game keep crashing randomly. So here it says here send email to Limbus support, and they are gonna try to help you. So you can do that inside the game. Just send him an email. You get just if it says here if you already tried, but try going to Steam properties, verifying integrity of your files. Yeah, there are a lot of like solutions here. I have the same problem. Here is exactly what I have done to fix this problem. So basically you start the game, you reduce the size of the screen of Limbus Company at minimum possible to load minimum pixel possible. The size of the game can reach close to icon on the desktop. You wait 5 to 10 seconds, as you can see. Press on the Limbus company screen game to enter the game, and wait 2 to 5 minutes, depends on your HDD. To take this waiting waiting the load. I think the problem, you have the base game installed on the SSD, but the update and the content of the game in your HDD. Okay, so just try this. If it doesn't work, okay, hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you in the next tutorial.